Hello guys, welcome to the Book Lovers Show. I am Omkar and today I want to share 5 strategies that will help you to develop a reading habit. So this video is going to helpful for beginners as well as people who have already read books but they are not able to read books regularly. So make sure you watch the video till the end because at the end of this video I will be sharing my own experience of how I get started reading books and that may help you. So make sure you watch the video till the end. The first strategy to build a reading habit is make your environment reading friendly. Keep your books beside your laptop, in the shelf, in the hall, in the kitchen, in the bedroom behind your bed. So basically keep the books at every location so that when you will be at that particular location and when you see the books, your mind will trigger you to turn few pages of this book. One research was done to check that if our environments affect our ability to take the decisions, and what they did is that they kept two scenario. In the one, in the hall of a company or in the common place of that company, they kept soda bottles more visible and at more prime locations than water bottles, and in another scenario they kept water bottles at primely visible location than soda bottles. What they found is that when they kept soda bottles at prime location, people or employees at that company drink more soda than water, and same happened with the water. When they kept water bottles at the prime location, you employees drink more water than soda. So rather than our willpower or motivation, often our environment drives our decision. That's why when you make your environment reading friendly, you can read more books and turn more pages. The second strategy to build a reading habit is choose easy books. When you choose easy to read books, you can increase your interest in the reading habit. One of the worst thing can happen to you is that when you choose book that is loaded with tons of data, research, psychology, examples, case studies, you can't finish that book when you are a beginner, and you lose the interest in reading. So you can choose books like this one, 7 Habits of Highly Effective Readers, or this one, Unposted Letters, or choose any Robin Sharma's book. These books are very easy to read. When you choose easy to read books, it can develop your interest and help you to make your reading habit strong. So this is the second tip to build a reading habit. The third strategy to build a reading habit is use 2-minute rule. The 2-minute rule says that you can break any habit so small that it can be finished within 2 minutes, and you can implement this rule with the reading habit as well. Choose to read only 2 pages of book or read for only 2 minutes, and don't select goals like reading 30 pages per day. It can be very daunting and difficult when you are a beginner. When you choose 2 minute to when you choose goal such that like you will read only book for 2 minutes, it will remove the excuse of not getting time to read, because anyone can get 2 minutes to read. So this is the third strategy that will help you to build reading habit. The first strategy to build a reading habit is schedule your reading time and your reading location. Of course, you can read anytime and at any location, but when you schedule your primary location and primary place, you can it will be a lot easier for you to perform that action. Usually I schedule my reading before I go to sleep or after I wake up, because like sleeping or waking up is our regular habit, or and we can to develop a new habit, we can use our regular habits as well by sticking new habit with the regular habit. For example, in a day you do a lot of activities that are habitual to you, like waking up, sleeping, dinner, lunch, or brushing, washing, toilet. You can do all these things regularly, and you can stick in a new habit to your existing habit. Like when you can decide like when I brush, I will read a book for 5 minutes. this can be become your habit, and it would be a lot more easier when you stick your new habit with your existing habit. So this was the fourth strategy, and the fifth strategy is to read book summaries. And this is how I get started. It was really easy for me to read Marathi books regularly, but it was really difficult at the beginning to read the English books. So like I came across one app called Booklet app, which is by Amrut Deshmukh, the founder of Mission Make India Read, and he used to send one book summary every Wednesday, and like I used to read those summaries, and his summaries was so good that I sometimes ended up reading the book. And this is how I get started with reading self-help books, or uh, American books. So this could be like really awesome thing by starting reading book summaries. So to enter in the booklet app, you need a passcode, and if you want it, please do comment and I will share that passcode with you. The one another paid app I know that is loaded with 5,000 book summaries is Blinkist. Blinkist has more than 500 book summaries, and you can explore their audio book summaries as well. So I have given the link to Blinkist app as well. When you go through my link, you will get 20% discount on their paid plans. So these are the 5 strategies that will help you to build a reading habit. Do let me know how was this video. If you like it, please do share it with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe this channel, because I share such kind of bookish content every week. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.